Our moon winning game be more.
And I mean, so because my dream Yamaso.
So much have 6, no. And Okolusu 2-1 All Blacks.
Yeah.
And Obebo 0-0 with Chelsea. And Obo 0-0 with Gold Stars. It's got 3 games. Omu winning after beating Bechim 6. I don't think I'll talk to voice and say, Omone Basake Holy Stars or Baba. It's a must win game. And okay. They don't have any excuse than to win that game. Now also be a cast media amount of form. They are even running away with the league. Gabi, say open one team in the local league. I will bet me a son come on about from what for Karela account.
Okay.
They can come and steal easily. When I'm swearing, I am telling you. One of the games be interesting pa. Let me confirm. Ebeye sa Bechim Heart of Lions game. Unso man start here kura Bechim.
Yeah.
But utimu say agama ni oma kasa say second round we they should turn things around. Into oma start both games ni pa nya results especially at home.
Because I bet you baby and good assassin or what it tells you have near neighbor.
Now a Heart of Lions teamer. Almost all of a sudden has turned into a bad team.
That's very well.
Yes.
But
all of a sudden, I say they've lost something. And see, what I'm trying to say is, Bechim resurgence now, this second round of Moyafano. Heart of Lions and where they will add them to the list.
Okay.
So, yeah, Penko Faso so more Abasono. Heart of Lions so come more. It's me a so mumu, I de Afro Echo Yenim. Now, on say, last season, at the end, Kayama Nations AG League, was from one way from.
Article.
So how do you expect them to go and beat Coach Christopher Henning and in the summer testimony? And it's possible. And I think summer test will beat Tima, your friend of Nations. Then the last game, I remember when you come home, Brekum Chelsea, baby, and Gold Stars. It was
Brekum. Yeah.
And say Chelsea form you how to describe it. Very, very unpredictable team this season. And when you are in that kind of situation, be beat me against baby and Gold Stars.
Okay.
But one thing I think say about Kwama Chelsea say baby and Gold Stars are too strong with fear. Away they are not so good. Until I hear now my Brekum at me after every as a game. Very, very interesting. So we league table in the city now. Now how much is on this weekend now? Gabi, you have very, very interesting games to watch.
Kofi, Obaraka Kramamiana. I
think it's for me one of the most important games, ever BBN Gold Stars match Omni Brekum Chelsea, because Sekarela beats me akwa media maso nam there, then there's an opportunity for BBN Gold Stars.
That game I draw.
Na make na Karela do ba ufi do no draw no be pe win kwa would win ko beat me the amount back on up draw. But so unya draw there, it means that or drop it 2 points. So BBN Gold Stars it me match against Brekum Chelsea. He goes 6 points. And then it closes in the gap because they're 40-33.
If Kotoko wins,
if Kotoko close wins,
not so close.
Yeah, man, close. Hard to focus away from him, although it's still in a crowd. But Hart technically away be normally the best away team or league in MCC. So quite away on your results. No? So I think the every weekend we have on Monday with some exciting results or league in him, and every more interesting going into second round in proper.
Okay. Madam Asipa, but Betway influencer. We will be a Weniji, a bet one day, a Betway influencer now, a bebo.